BBC World Service News, Crypto Frog. No, Crypto Frog in the zone, the friend zone. With Mrs. Frog, it's alright. She'll let me out of the doghouse once I share my crypto portfolio with her. Or that could be a massive rookie mistake. Answers in the comments. BBB, what's that? Backed by Binance. That's what it is. BBB or BBC. Whatever you want to label it. Talking about Swipe, ticker SXP in this video, they are BBB or BBC. Get your mind out of the gutter, y'all. I kept putting SWP into CoinGecko, figuring that was the ticker that made the most sense. But that belongs to some other coin called Swapcoin that appears to be defunct. So eventually I typed in Swipe and figured out the ticker is SXP. Swipe, I'm gonna give you the skinny on it. But first, are you not subscribed? Help me out of the doghouse by subscribing. Mrs. Frog is impressed by numbers. The bigger the better. Already subbed up? Hello! Ledge alert! Thumbs up, share, and comment. Also, this video is in no way financial advice-erino. CZ owns Swipe, so maybe I should say OBB. Owned by Binance. BBB. OBB, different preferences for different needs. On their website it says partners and relationships, and it has Binance on its own at the top. Hence why I think this is more than lightly primed to Pamp-A-F, no finny. The Webby, as you can see, has a very Binance-y vibe to it. They are also hooked up with Chainlink, Coinbase, Kraken, Visa. They are also hooked up with Elrond, ERD, to enable ERD spending at 60 million locations across Asia. Yeah, the frog's spidey senses are a-tingling. A Medium blog by Swipe, based in the Philippines, by the way, said CZ paid an undisclosed amount for Swipe. Probably just rocked up with his boys and said, hand me the keys. Maybe. Allegedly. His lawyers may be watching. No, 100% sure that CZ paid them a nice sum of money when he and his boys rocked up unannounced in Manila in the dead of night. After a hard night clubbing. According to this blog post, as well as being in the Philippines, they have locations in the UK, the United States of America, Singapore and Canada as well. Global! The platform enables users to spend crypto in real time without having to manually convert the transactions prior. Users can also buy, sell crypto with their linked bank accounts globally. I didn't link my bank account because I didn't want to know your customer. As of the time of making this video, Swipe has a market cap of circa $115 million. Disclaimer, I have a bag of this, mad not to in a way, considering CZ will call in his boys or his bot army or both to pamp this into the motherland. I downloaded the app onto my phone. I'll show you the screenshots of my experience in a bit, but the app is smooth as silk. Looking at the supply, the Circuit is around 66 milli and change. Max supply is 300 milli. It is deflationary. More on that in just a moment. And from August 1st, 2020, you can stake it. Hence, the Frogster abides. You can get a debit card if you go through all the verification and meet certain requirements. And considering this is owned by Binance and has been very heavily marketed by Binance, it will happen. Unlike other projects that promised similar stuff and didn't follow through. These are said debit cards. Access your Swipe wallet balance at over 50 million locations worldwide that accept Visa. We'll get onto this 4% cashback soon. Also Samsung and Google Play. Got all the bases covered, yo. This closed the sale for me, though. All your crypto funny money is converted into its fiat value to load onto the Swipe Visa debit card, which then can be used to pay in all these locations around the world with just a tap of a few buttons and a swipe of your card. Cardholders can also enjoy up to 4% cashback in Bitcoin on every purchase, as well as discounted fees by using SXP tokens on the Swipe platform. 4% cashback in Bitcoin. 4%. Some whales are definitely gonna be using this. Nailed on, nailed own. Another bullish feature of this token is that there are burns every quarter based on users' credit card fees, their debit card fees, whatever you want to label it. According to the white paper and the frequently asked questions as well, it will destroy 80% of SXP fees generated by the Swipe network while keeping 2% in the network smart contracts for staking rewards. And wait, not only that, Sonny Jim, it will destroy 100% of SXP fees generated by Swipe wallet fees. You also have access to over 30 cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, and fiat currencies. I'm sure they'll be adding more at a later date. Let's take a look at the screenshots of my application then. I tested it. I threw 11 ETH in there just for schnizzles and giggles, and it went through like butter. Then I had to verify my account. You need to have tier 1 verification. All you have to do is verify your email, put your real name and all that kind of jazz in there. I don't really like doing it, but I wanted to review this coin, and if I don't have the app, how can I do it, right? If you want the card, the debit card, all that gravy, then you have to go up to level 2. You have to do all the verification, submit your decos and your picture, selfie and all that jazz. I was thinking about maybe doing it, but then I saw, sorry, Swipe cards are not available in your region yet. Sort it out, CZ, if you're watching. I know you are. Nothing better to do. And then I swapped it. 11 ETH. I got 1,609 SXP. It was very fast as well. And I got some ticker tape. You literally cannot beat ticker tape. I was surprised about how rapid it was though. Very nice. Not sure I'm getting the best exchange rate though. And after the process was completed, you can see my balance here. I sold a little bit to see how the buying and selling works. I'm down to 1,430 SXP as of now. Kind of a minnow, but I suppose it's all relative, innit? So I'm going to hold this, maybe add some more, start staking like an absolute banshee in August. There is live chat as well, and I went in to have a chat with Victoria. She says, "Hi, Crypto Frog. Welcome to Swipe. Thanks. How can I stake SXP?" Hello? She was taking ages to respond. "I apologize for the delay, Crypto Frog." She probably sounds more like, "I apologize for the delay, Crypto Frog." For card lookup, a stake of 300,000 SXP for the Swipe Slate Black Visa card for 6 months is required. And then the penny started to drop. So I was like, you can't just stake. I don't want a card. And then it dawned on me. 300,000 SXP is almost $500,000. You want that black card? You gotta bring the big G's, yo. She goes on to say that the Swipe Slate Black Visa card comes with numerous benefits, including no delivery fees, annual fees, monthly maintenance fees, ATM fees, and foreign transaction fees while the stake is active. The Swipe Slate also offers 4% cashback while there is an ongoing stake, and 2% cashback if the stake is released. Lastly, users are able to earn $3,000 in referral rewards for other car holders they refer. Pretty gravy if you have $500,000. So little old frog said, I don't really have $500,000 lying around, so can't I just stake that? Is that what you're saying? And then Victoria kindly came back and said, "Details on staking will be announced on August 1st. Kindly stay tuned to our social media pages for updates and announcements. Thank you, I will be." Overall, pretty impressed. I like what I see. I would say though, I'm pretty positive you can get a much better rate on Binance and then send the SXP into your Swipe phone app. That's just a tip for y'all. I take the hits so you don't have to. With Swipe, I think the Pamp-A-Mentals are all in place. Binance, check. Token burns, check. CZ shills, check. Actual use case, check. Millions of places you can spend it, use it, check. $115 million market cap, check. Listed on Binance, check. Going to be bot army to death, check. What do you think? No financial advice. Do your own research. If you like this video and aren't a subscriber, do the decent thing, be a gentleman or a lady and click subscribe. Also thumbs up and share. Also follow me on Twitter, CryptoFrog202. Until we meet again, start the chat. Peace.